Namaste, little friends. Since last few days, we have been watching and listening to short stories of Swami Vivekananda on videos. Even today, let us see one more incident from Swamiji's childhood, whom we also know as Narendra. Narendra and his friends always played various games together. Once, while playing, they all climbed up a tree. They locked their knees on the branches and started swinging with their heads upside down. Meanwhile, one of the friends' father came there and saw the boys swaying on a champa tree in a topsy-turvy position. He was afraid in mind because the branches of champa tree are weak. He was worried that the boys may fall down and break their limbs. So he said, "Children, get down immediately and do not climb again because a Brahma Rakshas lives on this tree." As soon as the friend's father left from there, Narendra climbed the tree again. He said to his friends, "If really a Brahma Rakshas lives here, then we would have seen him long ago." Narendra's intention here is not to disobey or insult the elders, but to find the truth. Every friend was convinced that there is no Brahma Rakshas and became fearless. Narendra was determined to find the truth. He always spoke truth and lived a truthful life. Once, in Narendra's class, a teacher found some students talking and punished them to stand on a bench. Narendra had answered all his questions correctly, so he was spared of punishment. But Narendra confessed and said he was also talking, so even he should be punished. See, children, this is the best example of speaking truth and also living a truthful life. Through these two examples from Swamiji's life, we have understood the importance of speaking truth, isn't it? Right from the childhood, our parents teach us to speak truth and follow it in daily life. But sometimes we may also tend to commit a mistake. Let's see, for example, when our homework is not done, we give some weird reasons for it. Or sometimes, when we want to play with friends, we tend to keep our studies aside. These things, though appear as small matters, they play an important role in molding our personality. Therefore, we should be very careful to avoid such mistakes. Come, let us all decide to practice truthfulness. Would you all promise to do so? Suppose we have committed some mistake, then we should confess the truth to our parents without hiding anything. Our parents and teachers will always understand and guide us properly so as not to repeat the mistakes in future. You all must have experienced this situation, isn't it? Now, let us remember what Swamiji has told us. He said, "Where there is truth, there is no weakness of mind, and there is nothing to hide." This gives us courage. Truth is the only thing which makes us strong. Let us again hail Swamiji by saying, "Jai Swamiji Maharaj Ji ki Jai."